lots of witnesses will follow. And in fact, today we were fully expecting case detective, Detective Diaz, to testify. And it was only after Lieutenant Leonardi testified about the illegal wiretap of Mr. Mangione in Altoona, Pennsylvania, that they withdrew state notice, and now suddenly we're not going to have the lead case detective in this case. It's significant. There was a lot of open questions that we wanted to question him about, especially the very prejudicial statement made by the chief of detectives at the time. There was a press conference a year ago where they were talking about all the probable cause and the reasons they had to believe that Mr. Mangione committed this crime. And one of those things was that they relied on a statement made by his mother that she said she was doing something like this. That's an absolutely false statement. That was never said. And in fact, we asked for discovery regarding that. The prosecution told us they gave us all the discovery. We need the subpoenaed materials from San Francisco Police Department. There is no such statement. It was never made. In fact, it was the opposite. What Mrs. Mangione said was that she could never see her son being a risk to himself or others. And we put that on the record again today, and that still has not been corrected by either the NYPD or the FDA's office. It's a prejudicial statement that has been repeated many, many times. And yes, I'm repeating it here, but because you all have published this over and over and over again, because this was an essential piece of information that Detective Penny said was relied upon by the NYPD in this case. So we want the NYPD or the San Francisco PD or the Manhattan DA to correct this very prejudicial statement that was never said. So thank you very much.
Have you had a chance to depose Mrs. Mangione about that?
So thank you so much for coming, and we appreciate it all, and we'll see you again
Why
soon.
did this pre-trial last so long? I apologize.
And we hope,
Hi, everyone.
we hope Christmas music wasn't ruined for everyone.
For the rest of time.
For the
Or
rest of time.
McDonald's.
You'll be home for Christmas.
Bye, everybody.
Not now.
Can someone go up there and say and spell her name?
So, for you to put me on a call with him to try to explain myself, what do I need to explain?
Like everyone's doing it.
They
Like,
try to
You want to go first? Yeah, we got to keep going. People want to walk.
winning.
We're getting married. You
All right, we're here for Luigi Mangione's hearing has been completed, it's over. And on May the 18th, we'll hear back from the judge as far as what gets suppressed and what doesn't. So, no witnesses were called today. The prosecution rested their case as far as the hearing goes. And there you have it. So.
Well, she had told the police prior, I think, prior to it.
asking you guys kindly to leave this area now. Sorry, Rob.
Now, you guys just take all the pictures you want and cross the street.
Okay.
All right, so there you have it, guys. That's it for the Luigi Mangione hearing. We'll be back on May the 18th to get the final verdict on what gets suppressed from his trial that's going to be coming up. So far, there's no trial date set, but at any rate, this is it. Almost 3 weeks. 3 weeks of this hearing. This is New York City? Okay, you saw the plate. Okay, good. Fry Mangione. Okay. Okay. We have the press release from his attorneys. So if you didn't see it, you can go back and watch it. But that's it. Back to news at noon. All right. Okay, Dave, New York. Take care, brother. We'll see you. Okay, that's it. So we're out of New York City. You can see people getting married here all day, every day. At least today it's a little warmer. I see people out here getting married in the freezing cold with no coat on, trying to take a decent picture. So today the universe is gracious. Look like that's two ladies here.
Everybody label me as.
Oh my, they're getting married. Very good. So the next trial I'll be attending will be Tyler Robinson out in Utah in regards to Charlie Kirk. So for those who want to follow that, you could subscribe to the channel. I'll be heading out there next. Also have Carmelo Anthony's case coming up too, so that's down in Texas. More people getting married. Nice places to take pictures, right? And this is Lower Manhattan, New York, where the World Trade Centers went down in 2001, a long time ago. Let's see if we have any comments here. Yes, Deborah is all over now, at least the hearing. And January the 3rd, the 9th, he has the hearing at the federal court, which is here too. So we have two simultaneous actions going here in New York. But I think the defense did a great job So we'll see what happens. We'll see what the judge suppresses. Already a couple things have been suppressed with the audio and video. So, and also they took the terrorism charges off the table. So no terrorism charges. So they're making some progress. And it makes a big difference when the American people actually give GoFundMe and contribute towards people. So apparently a lot of people believe in Luigi Mangione. So that's the New World Trade Center building right here. That's it right there. Building 1. Look like some sort of union activity, I guess. It's like it. All right, so we're heading into the subway here in New York City. Now you can use your credit card to just hop on.
There is an Uptown Express 4 train to 167th Street, 9 minutes away.
Attention passengers, the last stop on some Woodlawn-bound 4 trains will be 167th Street because of traffic maintenance. For continued service, transfer at
I don't
167th
want to take the
Street.
6 train. This train here is local. So that means it'll stop at every little stop around the way. I don't want to go there. So I want to catch the express train. It's very easy to navigate around New York City. You see it tells you exactly where you're going. So I'm going to step on this side and catch the 4 or the 5 train because it's express. It'll get me where I need to go. Look like it has Christmas lights on it. I've never seen it so bright. Must be something like that. The train doesn't normally look like that. Light at the end of the tunnel. Oh, okay, that's not a train. Looks like it's an inspection train. That's why it has all those lights on it. Okay. Jeez, I was blinded, I'll tell you that.
There is an Uptown Local 6 train to 3rd Avenue, 138th Street, approaching the station.
Who wants that? Jeez. Another local. Municipal building, Brooklyn Bridge Courthouses, okay. So this train, this side takes you toward the Bronx. The other side over there, they're headed toward Brooklyn. In fact, their next stop will be in Brooklyn. They're about to go to the bridge.
There is an Uptown Express 4 train to Woodlawn approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
Alright, so we're waiting for the 405 train. I just finished up with Luigi Mangione. His hearing is completed fully, and we'll get the results on May 18th. What's going to be suppressed.
Please step aside and let the passengers off the train first.
So this is the express train, 4 to 5. It's not too bad today, midday, but in the morning and around 5 o'clock, you can barely
Please
get on the
step
train.
aside and let the passengers off the train first. There is an Uptown Express 5 train to Eastchester Dyer Avenue, 8 minutes away.
This is a Walmart Ford Express train. The next stop is 14th Street, Union Square.
Stand clear of the closed door, please.
So we just covered Luigi Mangione's hearing, and that's it. Next, we're going out to Tyler Robertson for